I'm your guest teacher. My name is MJ. What's my name?
MJ.
Alright, so do you have lunch? Yes? Yeah, what day is today? Tuesday. How many more days to weekend? How many days before weekend?
3 days.
You excited to have a weekend? What do you usually do during the weekend? Shopping! Special study. Where? Thailand. Okay, now your topic is about, okay, everyone read the title of our topic for today. International, what does it mean? Raise your hand, your answer. International, what does it mean? This is Thailand. What is international?
Other countries in the world.
Other countries in the world. So not only Thailand. So what country is it? Thailand. Ready? Once again.
Japan. Australia.
New Zealand.
Singapore. Brazil.
There we go. Okay. Now in Thailand, what we call this gesture is called body language gesture. Okay. So this one means. What do you call this one?
Shuffling.
What do you call in Thai? What is this word? Why? Okay. That's in Thailand. If I why, is it good or bad?
Good.
Okay. If I don't have etiquette, do I why or not? No. So good in Thailand, the way you breathe, sawadee cup. Okay. So why? What country is it? Japan. What are they doing? What country? Okay. Before we proceed, I want you to read all the vocabulary. Everyone, go. Etiquette.
Rude. Manners. Handshake. Bow.
Okay. Can you read this word for me? Say it, please. Very good. Polite. What does it mean, polite? Formal. Today we are going to listen. This is very important. What I'm doing is letting you do a jigsaw organizer. This is a jigsaw organizer. Each of you will have a copy of this one. Alright? But I am going to form you in a group. One group, 4 students. Okay? And family, listen carefully. Listen carefully. One group, 4 students. And each of you is assigned a number. Okay? So, for example, okay? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Example. Listen first. Listen first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, one group. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Okay? I will give you this one. Number 1, you will study very quickly. You don't have to read everything. Just study and get what you can understand. Okay? But you will have to, this is your base group. Okay? So this is group 1 and group 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 2, quiz number 1, 1. Group 1, number 1, 1. Okay? Base group. Now, number 1 from this group and number 1 from this group sit together over there. And this example, number one, you talk about Thailand. You talk about Thailand. You talk about Thailand. For 10 minutes. Okay? For example, number two, group one, number two. Group two, number two. You will talk about Australia. Okay, manners about Australia. Australia. Sit together. Talk about manners in Australia. Okay? Understand? So you will do it for 10 minutes. After that, after 10 minutes, you go back in your base group and share Australia to them, share Thailand to them, you share each of your country's manners. Understand? Okay? Alright. What are you supposed to do? What are you supposed to do? Form a group. Okay? Your group is called base group. Very good. Now one and one go together. It's called expert group. It means you're very expert. You know your materials. Understand? Okay, that goes. Okay, so let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 1. Okay, can you please? How do they look like? Okay, the dress, the shoes, the hair. Okay, if you can find that. Who is number one? Number one? Okay. Number one? Number one? Who is number one? And number one. Okay. Now you have to stay together again. 1, 1, 1. Good? Okay. And 2. Number 2. Number 2. 2. Okay. Sorry. Now, listen. All number 1, sit together and talk about your country while you write the information in the graphic organizer. Okay? Now, when you come back to your base group, number 1 will share the information about Thailand to others. And I will ask questions about Thailand or about your assignment. Okay? Make sure you can share ideas. Any questions? Okay, all number 1. You can sit over there. All number 1. Number 1, number 1, number 1. Number 1.
English, please. Male and male, yeah, female and female, like that.
Oh, yes. Okay, Singapore. Now please return or go back to your base group.
Okay. Go back. Go back.
Okay. Are you ready? Group 1, are you ready? Group 2, ready?
No.
Group 3, okay, now I'll give you another 2 minutes. Maybe you share to them about Thailand. What is it? Australia. Very quickly. About Thailand, about Singapore, about Japan. Okay? You share.
Okay, I know you. Know Thailand. Okay.
Thailand, so you share with your friends. Okay? Okay. Australia, tell your friends about Australia. Communication is the way people talk, the way people greet, say hello, hi. Okay? Communicate. So you talk Singapore, you tell them about Singapore. You are Australia, you tell them about Australia.
ผู้ชายที่นั่งซีมาคนเดียวคนละหน้าห้ามส่งสายตาให้กับห้ามส่งสายตาวิ่งใช่
Try to speak English. Guys, try to speak English.
ประเทศไทยประเทศจีนใช่ไหม
I know
เราฝึกแหละ
Now stop writing. Okay? I think stop writing. I want you to talk. I want you to talk. Speak. Speak. Right?
Why? You know why?
So,
I will show you why. Australia is very.
Group 3. Can someone tell me about Thailand? Okay. Who is Thailand? He is Thailand. He doesn't need to tell me. Any one of you should tell me about Thailand. Very brief one. Brief one is okay. And say something about Thailand. Guys. Thailand.
Hello with ก่อนดี
Thailand.
when คุณบาเด็กไปในบายบาย
Okay. Good. All right. Thank you very much. Okay. Anyone who would like to share about Australia?
The men in Australia not allowed to wink. Wink a woman. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. And the punctual is critical.
Oh, yes. Very cool. Should be on time.
Yes.
Good.
was speaking to the Japanese. If they nothing, I will show you. They understand what you want.
Go like this.
Japanese don't like number 4.
They don't like the phone.
Number 4 means late.
Oh, okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Thank you. In Japan, what did he say? What did he say? In Japan, number 4 means? Number 4 means? Yeah. Okay. Number 4. Guys. Report. Thank you.
Because this country is not many communication. People in Singapore is very polite.
Okay, yes.
And this is also implied and rude. When you point the index finger to other,
So like that.
Yes.
Rude. Good. Yes.
they speak English and Chinese.
Chinese and English, yes. Good.
And they can develop and muscle sell and import them.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.